Hey guys, welcome back. Now this is a very special lecture because we will have some mathematics, we will have of course informatics, and of course we will have a kind of a game. So what we will try to do in this game is actually to program this switch that has to go towards this line, and she will stop when she has an equal distance between house A and house B. So if I'm going to have house A somewhere right here and house B somewhere here, then if I'm going to click to this flag button, then this switch will go until the two distances are equal. As the two distances are not equal, then it continues to this straight line right here. So when the distance is equal between house 1 and house 2, she stops and says that the two distances are equal. So actually what we will try to do is to program the switch so that she will stop when the distance from house 1 and house 2 is equal. So this means that actually the width will be in the point D, house 1 is in the point A, and house 2 is here. This means that we have a straight line here in the point D, and if we're going to have a right angle between the A and B, this means that this is the equal distance between A and B. So AC is equal to CB right here, and we have a right angle between CD and AB. So we're going to start programming right now so that this switch will move towards this line until the distance between the two houses is equal. So if we're going to have something right here, I will try to play again this example by dragging and dropping somewhere else. So if I'm going to take house B right here and house A right here, and then click to this flag, the width will always stop when the distances are equal. So I will start coding right now, and we will do this together, step by step. First of all, please download from the resources this game. You will find this game to the resources of this lesson. So click to this sprite 2 and rename it to width. So I will go to the control and to the events, and take when flag is clicked. I would like to go to the beginning of this line, so I will go to the motion and drag and drop, go to X minus 220 and Y to 0, where it is right now, minus 220 and the Y is to 0. And then go to the control and take the forever command, and then take from the motion, I would like to set the distance from house 1 to a variable called d1 or distance 1, and then take the distance from house 2 and set it to a second variable d2. So I will go to the variables and take the first set d1 and then take again a second set, and I will change it to d2, and I would like to check the distance between these widths and the house 1. So I will go to the sensing, and I will take the distance block, distance to house 1, and I will take again this block and I will change it to house 2. So now I have two variables, d1 and d2. d1 is the distance from house 1 and d2 is the distance from house 2. So I will take an if block right now and check if these d1 and d2 are not equal. So I will take I will go to the operators and take a not block, the not block, and I will take also the equal block. So if, I'm sorry for this, if not exactly, if d1 is not equal, so go to variables, take d1 and then take d2. If d1 and d2 are not equal, so then I would like the widths to say that the two distances are not equal, so she should continue. I will go to the looks and I will take this say for 2 seconds, I will change it to 3 seconds and say the two distances are not equal. I shall continue. And then I would like the width to move. So I will go to the motion and take the move, but not 10 steps. 10 steps are a lot. You can see this. 10 steps is something very big. I would like to move very smoothly, so I will change this to something like 0.3 steps. This is perfect. Don't forget that these commands will be executed forever, so this means that these widths will move very smoothly. So after this moving command, I will take all this I will take this block, all these commands, and I will change it a bit, because I don't want to check each time if d1 and d2 are equal or not. So I will take the if else command and I will drag and drop this not d1 and d2 equal being equal, and also I will take these two commands. So I will use this if else command, if else block, instead of this if then block. So I will take this one and now I will add some blocks right here to the else block. So I will go to the looks category and take this one again, and I will say this time that nice. Now the two distances are equal for 3 seconds, and then I would like to stop everything. So I will go to the control and I will take this stop all, and now I think it's okay. So the two distances are not equal. I shall continue, and as you can see, the problem is that the width is not moving. The problem is that when D1 and D2 are not equal, then the width says that the two distances are not equal, this message right here, for 3 seconds, and does a very small movement, 0.3 steps. So I will go to the looks and I will change the say command with the think command right here. I will copy this right here and I will paste it. I will take think and I will take only the move command and I will take it off. So now it's okay, as you can see. So the width is going towards this line. The two distances are not equal. C continues all the time. I wonder if C is going to stop or not. So C went back. Okay. So there is a bug again right here. The problem is that this D1 and D2 is not very punctual. This means that D1 and D2 should be rounded. So I will take this off for a moment. I will go to the operators and I will choose the round command. So I will take round D1 and I will take round D2. So I have round D1 equal to round D2 right here, and now I will try it again. The two distances are not equal. C continues. Let's see. I will. Okay, now the two distances are equal. Perfect. So again, this is the solution, the geometrical solution. AC and CB are equal when CD has a right angle with AB. So thank you very much and looking forward to the next game.